Hi again, this is Scott from Soap A GoGo, and today I'm making a soap inspired by Pantone's Color of the Year for 2023, Viva Magenta. I'm splitting my batch into 3 since I'm doing a layered design, and I find that mixing the oils and lye solution per layer is much easier than mixing it all at once, and you have a lot more control over it. The fragrance I'm using is Rose Gold by Brambleberry, and I think it's the perfect fit for this soap. I blended it with kaolin clay to help anchor it. The fragrance notes are coconut, candy apple, raspberry, red currant, tulip, rose, cashmere musk, vanilla, and amber. Amazing combination. To get a really great deep magenta, I decided to go with the color Voodoo by Mad Micas. I can see very quickly though that it wasn't going to get nearly the depth that I wanted and needed, so I'm going to end up adding some more to that. That's more like it, right? The mold I'm using is by Eric at Woodtech Logixx, and it was custom made to my specifications. Eric is a real craftsman when it comes to woodwork, and he accepted the challenge of making a silicone liner for the first time. And he did such a superb job on this mold that I'm going to be ordering more of them. I'll leave his links down below if you'd like to check him out. I'm doing a black pencil line in between the layers, which I think will really pop once this is done and cut. The black I'm using is Nocturnal by Nurture Soap. Now this middle layer is using Tickled Pink by Mad Micas and some titanium dioxide, which will help lighten it up and make it a bit more pastel. I was pouring it over onto the spatula just in case it was too liquid underneath. I didn't want it to break through really, but that layer was already set up enough that I didn't really need it. Just adding some texture in here so the layers aren't perfectly even, and then adding the second mica line. Since I used up all of my pre-mixed Voodoo color on the first layer, I added some directly into the oils for my third layer. And look at that color, that is just amazing color. And it really stays vibrant even after adding the lye solution in here and blending everything together. I just love how smooth this is, and that color is just perfect. This is that kind of soap you really can't wait to cut it open to see what everything looks like on the inside. Here's one quick close-up view before we put it to bed for the night. Now it's been about 24 hours and we are ready to unmold. The corners were a little softer than I had anticipated, so they did get a little mushed, you can see, but no big deal. Look at that inside. I love that. Those lines are really great and they really help make those colors pop. I'm really liking that texture on top too. This soap will be available on April 1st on our online shop at soapagogo.com. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and you'll be notified of new videos when they're available. Thanks so much for watching.